This is like way beyond what I expected from a monitor, but wow. Absolutely 10 out of 10 job. First things first, I would like to give an enormous thank you to the guys over at Razer for actually sending me the Raptor 27-inch gaming monitor right here. I can't believe they actually sent me one, but after years and years of posting videos about Razer gear, finally Razer actually sending me a couple products here. So the Razer Raptor here, we're gonna make an unboxing video out of it today. Oh my god, what a monitor this is. 1 millisecond response time, 1440p IPS with G-Sync, FreeSync support. This thing has it all. Even Razer Chroma RGB lighting integrated into the monitor stand. This is the ultimate monitor if you are a fan of Razer and you want to really complete your Razer ecosystem in your gaming setup. This is the one to go for. So let's get it unboxed. I'll give you guys my full opinion about it, and we are hopefully gonna be keeping this in the gaming setup permanently, but I really don't know what I'm actually gonna do with this because I already have 2 monitors in the gaming setup right now, and these are from MSI. Luckily though, as these are all 27-inch monitors, we technically could pull off a triple monitor gaming setup using all 3 of these, which is something I'm gonna try to pull off in this video. However, bear in mind, I don't know if I can actually fit a 3rd monitor into this gaming setup here. Like, I don't think there's enough space for a 3rd one, but we're gonna see what we can do. Maybe we can make it work. Oh, well that part just opens up. Wait, do I actually not even, I swear I've actually not opened this monitor yet, but turns out I actually don't have to cut any tape whatsoever. We can just open it up. Ooh, that's bad, that's bad. Let me flip the box. For gamers, by gamers, oh my lord. I can't believe we have one. This blows my mind. All right, accessories for the Razer Raptor 27-inch. Let's take this part out. All right, so we just got a little box right here. I expect an absolutely amazing unboxing experience here. Whoa, look at these cables, man. Wow, check this thing out, dude. We got these Razer green cables here. So we got the power cable, we got DisplayPort, USB Type-C, everything, man. All of these cables are, of course, in the Razer green color. They look absolutely beautiful. I've never really seen anything quite like this, you know, super unique product. And oh lord, this is for the USA, right? This looks like a United States plug. How am I gonna power this? Okay, I'm gonna have to try find a way to power this monitor. Ooh, I've just remembered as well, the back of this entire monitor here is actually made out of like a fabric material, but it actually feels quite premium and quite nice. Like, I've never seen anything like this before. Holy crap, Razer. Oh man, this stand feels absolutely amazing. All right. Razer Raptor 27-inch. I am gonna tell you guys straight away, what? This thing looks insane. No way, how thin are these actual bezels? This looks absolutely insane. Holy crap. The actual build quality of this monitor is absolutely insane, if I'm being honest. Like, oh my god, wow, that actually feels nice as well. This stand is something else. Razer have genuinely done a really, really good job with this. The whole stand is like solid aluminum or something. This monitor feels so solidly built. Holy crap. This is hands down the most premium monitor I have ever laid my hands on. This monitor is unlike anything I've ever seen before. Fabric back, there's even like a freaking metal Razer logo right here. Razer logo in text right there as well. And of course, we're gonna be putting all of these fancy Razer green cables right here. And we're gonna be routing them through these cable management brackets right here behind the monitor. And this is just gonna look absolutely beautiful by the time we're done. I believe you can also tilt this monitor as well. Now, how much tilt does it offer? Oh, I don't think it offers very much tilt, but it does go up and down really, really nicely. Like this stand, it feels very, very solidly built, I'll tell you that. Holy crap, Razer, good job on this monitor. This is like way beyond what I expected from a monitor, but wow. Absolutely 10 out of 10 job. This is insane. I've not even turned the thing on yet, but just the build quality and just the look of this monitor. This is a sick looking monitor, man. I'll tell you that, bro. All right, let's plug all this stuff in because we of course have to cable manage all of this. And I wonder how easy it is to actually access all of the ports back here. But you can lift up the monitor a decent amount, so I don't think it's going to be too hard really. And the final cable is now in, and wow, this actually looks freaking sick, dude. Can I fit 3 monitors on here? Something tells me I think I might need a bigger desk. This doesn't quite fit. Problem is, I legit cannot see the internals of my PC, and that monitor is not on, but it did flash, so like maybe there's like a on-off button or something. Ooh, well, I just pressed a button on there and it lit up. Oh, it's on. I'm still in absolute awe that we finally have a triple monitor gaming setup again. Last time we had one, it was all 24-inch monitors. They were all 60 hertz. This time, things have changed a little bit. We've upgraded to 27-inch monitors, all 1440p instead of 1080p, and these are all rocking 144 hertz or above. Both of the MSI monitors can hit 165, but wow, this is absolute madness right here. This is actually the first time I've ever even owned an IPS display. Both of the MSI monitors are VA panels, and the one in the middle here, the Razer RAPTOR, is of course an IPS panel. And surprisingly enough, all of these monitors look absolutely amazing in terms of color reproduction, in terms of the contrast, the deep blacks. The VA panel keeps up with the IPS panel here in terms of the contrasts that they're able to produce, but the Razer RAPTOR is actually noticeably better in terms of color reproduction as well as brightness. That's the first thing I really noticed the moment I turned it on, was the sheer brightness of this monitor. It's rated at up to 420 nit peak brightness, whereas the MSI monitors I don't think even hit 300 nits. So the Razer monitor actually has HDR 400 support, whereas the MSI monitors don't quite support HDR because they really can't get very bright at all. The Raptor's display is also factory calibrated and is able to cover 95% of the DCI-P3 wide color gamut, and you might be like, what in the hell does that mean? Well, basically just more vibrant colors, more lifelike colors, and when you pair that with HDR 400 and everything else this monitor has to offer, it really is a very nice display to look at. Now, one thing I really liked about it as well is that you can control your monitor settings, the brightness, the contrast, all sorts of settings, man, via Razer Synapse Free. You don't have to muck about with monitor settings, pressing all your monitor buttons and messing around with like, you know, the on-screen like display settings or whatever. You don't gotta do none of that, man. Open up Razer Synapse Free, head over to your Razer RAPTOR 27-inch, and you can control absolutely everything here. So if you ever want to adjust your screen brightness, the overdrive, the gamma, the screen contrast, you can do that all in the software. It's super easy. If we head over to the color tab, we can adjust different profiles here. sRGB, low blue light, warm, cool, normal, that type of stuff. There's the lighting tab that we'll get to in just a second. And then there's of course the display tab here as well. So you can switch between HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB Type-C. You can turn on adaptive sync. This monitor is G-Sync compatible and of course also works with FreeSync. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, if you have an AMD graphics card, FreeSync, G-Sync will work absolutely fine. And then of course you can also enable HDR just with a click of a button. Super easy, man. Alright, and now the moment you've all been waiting for, let's take a look at the RGB. So we got a bunch of effects right here, and we currently have it on static with the color white. You can of course set it to something else. So we have the fire effect. This is how it looks like. Pretty damn nice. We got spectrum cycle, all the usual stuff that you used to see. We got starlight of course, but the one you're probably most excited about is of course the wave lighting effect. Take a look at that, and then we can of course also enable the wave lighting effect for everything in the setup right here, including the PC case. Everything in the setup here has the wave lighting effect, and it looks absolutely insane, dude. Take a look at this, dude. The full Razer Chroma ecosystem in action right here. Man, this Razer RAPTOR is genuinely something else. It's like a work of art, this monitor is. This is a gaming monitor after all though. How is it like to game on? Well, there's only one way to find out. Hope you enjoyed watching the Counter-Strike montage. We got some absolutely sick kills there. Man, I'm just so freaking happy with this setup. Please let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of it. And I'm gonna be ordering some more stuff for the setup very soon. Finally, we're gonna be having some stuff on the walls very, very soon. So don't you worry about that. But clearly we need a bigger desk as well. I'm gonna try sort all of that out over the next couple of weeks if I can. I've been trying to order more desks over on IKEA, but for some reason they've just stopped all deliveries and I cannot get anything delivered to my address at the minute. So I'm just gonna have to wait a little bit until deliveries open up again for IKEA. Then we're probably getting rid of the IKEA Linmon, maybe, possibly, or I might just try to extend it, because the main problem here is just I need more desk space. I need a bigger desk, so I'm thinking I might just get like a second IKEA Linmon desk and just have 2 IKEA Linmons in my setup, like we kind of did in the past. But apart from all that, everything in the gaming setup will be linked down below in the description. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Massive shout out to Razer for sending out the Razer Raptor. I can't believe we have one. The monitor is absolutely beautiful. I love the way the setup looks right now. Blows my mind that we're finally back to a triple monitor setup, man. This looks absolutely mental. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.